Hello everyone and welcome to this session on presentation and visualization techniques. In today's fast-paced digital world, the ability to present information effectively is more important than ever. Whether you are an educator, a student, or a researcher, mastering presentation and visualization techniques can significantly enhance the way you communicate complex ideas. Have you ever struggled to design engaging slides, create compelling infographics, or visualize data for your reports? If so, you are not alone. That's where generative AI comes in. AI tools are transforming the way we create and deliver presentations. These tools can assist in generating slide content, designing infographics, and even suggesting storytelling techniques to make presentations more impactful. AI powered tools can revolutionize the way presentations and visual content are created by helping users generate well structured presentation slides, create compelling infographics and data visualizations, suggest storytelling techniques to engage the audience, enhance the readability and flow of presentation content. For example, imagine you need to create a 10-slide presentation on climate change. Instead of starting from scratch, AI can assist by providing a structured slide deck with key points, visually appealing graphics and charts, storytelling techniques to make the content engaging. Let us give a quick overview of what we will discuss in this session. By the end of this session, you will understand how AI can assist in presentation and visualization tasks, learn how to craft effective prompts to generate AI-assisted slides and visuals, gain hands-on experience in refining AI-generated content for professional use. With practical demonstrations and real-world applications, we will see how AI can be a game changer in presentation and visualization. Let us first start with an example. Suppose you need to create a presentation on the impact of technology on education. So, for that purpose, you can write a prompt like draft a 10-slide presentation on the impact of technology on education, and you can mention uh, some points like including key trends, benefits, challenges, and future directions. So, if you write that prompt, ChatGPT will generate a presentation with slides covering key trends like online learning, benefits such as increased access to education, challenges like the digital divide, and future directions such as AI driven personalized learning. So, let us first start and type the prompt like draft a 10 slide. Here I have mentioned 10 slide, so instead you can write 15 slide or 20 slide also. Presentation, then you have to mention the topic on the impact of, suppose, technology in education, including key trends. You can mention this also, like online learning, then benefits such as, sorry, increased access to education, challenges and suppose future directions. So here I have written the prompt, draft a 10 slide presentation on the impact of technology in education, including key trends like online learning, benefits such as increased access to education, challenges, and future directions. Let us see how ChatGPT responds. So, here is a structured 10 slide presentation on the impact of technology in education. Slide number 1, title slide, title The Impact of Technology in Education. Subtitle is given, image a classroom with student using laptops, tablets. So it is suggesting that you can put an image here in this slide. Slide 2, introduction. So some bullet points are suggesting. Slide number 3, key trends. Number 1, online learning and e-learning platforms. So some key points are mentioned here. So you can explain from this slide number 3. Then slide 4, key trend 2, artificial intelligence and personalized learning. Slide 5, virtual augmented reality in education. Some key points are there. 6, 7, slide 8, slide 9, slide 10. So now suppose you want a 15 slide presentation. So here simply you can refine the prompt like need 15 slide presentation. So within a minute ChatGPT will generate a presentation on that particular topic with 15 slides. Previously it was 10 slides. Since the in the prompt we mentioned that we need a 10 slide presentation. Now we have given another prompt that we need 15 slide presentation. Now the draft presentation is ready, the slide contents are ready. Now how you will prepare the actual presentations? One simple solution is that you can simply copy, then suppose this is a blank presentation already available. So here you can delete and you can paste the content here. So this is slide number 1. You can select this one, you can change the font size also. Suppose we need another slide, slide number 2. I will delete this one. Then again I will go to slide number 2, introduction. Simply copy and you can paste here the content. You can increase the font size also. So in this way you can copy the slide content one by one to the blank presentation, and here you can change the design also. Suppose you need this one, so the uh, design of the presentation will change. You can put some images, you can put some videos also, you can change the design of the your presentation also. So this is the easiest way you can prepare a presentation within a minute using different AI tools. Let us now discuss, suppose I need this presentation, I will not copy the content of the slides into the blank presentation. Instead, I can type, I can give a prompt to ChatGPT like convert the slides into a suppose .pptx file. That means we need all the slides into a single presentation file. The type is .pptx, PPT file, Microsoft PowerPoint file, which can be downloaded. So I will generate a PowerPoint PPTX file with these slides, including structured content and visuals where applicable. Give me a moment. So ChatGPT's response is this one. Now let us see. I have created the PowerPoint presentation for you. You can download it here. This is the downloadable file. And again, it is asking, let me know if you need any modification. So if you give some instruction uh, with the help of prompt, then ChatGPT will redesign your PowerPoint presentation. So now let us see downloadable file. If I click this one, it will be downloaded. So let us double click upon this file and you will see that the whole slides, it is a 15 slide presentation. It is converted. So what we have done, we have converted, we have assembled all the slide contents into a .pptx file. We have given the instruction that convert the, so here we mentioned that convert the slides into a .pptx file. First, generate all the slide contents, then give the prompt like convert the slides into a .pptx file. The downloadable file will be displayed. You can simply click on this file, then it will be downloaded, and you can see that uh, this is the, you can change the design part also. Lots of designs are available. If you click this one, then the design will be different. If you click this one, design will be different. Let us click suppose this one. So this is a ready-made presentation that is generated by ChatGPT, and remember that this is just a draft copy of the presentation on a particular topic. You can change the content of your presentation. You can put some images, you can put some videos also, and you can change the design and uh, transition effects of this particular presentation. So in this way, you can experiment with some other topics. Let us now try with a different popular AI tool called Grok 3. So in your browser, you can type Grok or grok.com. Then this interface will appear. You have to log in. Suppose I will generate a PowerPoint presentation on a particular topic using Grok 3. So here, suppose I will give the prompt as design a, suppose 10 slide presentation on the topic impact of technology in education. So here you can give a different topic as per your requirement. So here I will give some instruction like use related images in the slides. So the prompt is design a 10 slide presentation on the topic impact of technology in education. Use related images in the slides. Let us see how Grok 3 responds. So here, since you have asked for a presentation with images, I will design a 10 slide outline for impact of technology in education with description of content and suggestions for related images. I won't generate the images directly, but I will recommend what they could be. So Grok 3 will not generate the images for the each slide, but it will give some suggestion that this type of images you can include in this particular slide. So if you'd like me to proceed with generating specific images after this, please confirm. Here the step-by-step breakdown. Okay, so title content impact of technology in education, subtitle is given, include your name, date, and any affiliation if applicable. Image suggestion is given, a vibrant illustration of a classroom with students using laptops, tablets, and digital whiteboard, symbolizing modern education. So this type of image you can include in your first slide. Next one is introduction. The content is brief overview and then objective. So image suggestion is a globe surrounded by icons of tech devices, that is laptop, smartphone, VR headset, to represent global connectivity in education. So this type of images you can include in this particular slide, slide number 2, introduction. Slide 3 also given, image suggestion is given, slide 4, slide 5, slide 6, slide 7. Now suppose you will type, you can also type like convert the presentation into a .pptx file. So here in this case it is given a different way. So previously we already experimented with ChatGPT. So the whole presentation was converted into a .pptx file which can be downloaded, and we have already downloaded and we have modified also. But if you use Grok 3, so the response is that I cannot directly create a or send a .pptx file since I am a text-based AI and don't have the capability to generate or export files in this format. So here Grok 3 is unable, but it has given some instruction, option 1, step-by-step instructions to create the pptx file. Then you can copy the content, slide 1, slide 2. So we have already discussed uh, in case of ChatGPT in the previous example. So you can copy and you can paste, but suppose I want to generate an image for a particular slide. So I will show you how you can generate. Suppose in the first slide it was given image suggestion, a vibrant illustration of a classroom with students using laptops, tablets, and digital whiteboards, symbolizing modern education. So this type of image you can use in the first slide. Now let us generate an image using Grok 3. So here I will copy, you can copy, and you can, before pasting the suggestion, you can type generate an image on, then I will paste generate an image on a vibrant illustration of a classroom. So it was suggested in the first slide, a vibrant illustration of a classroom with students using laptops, tablets, and digital whiteboard, symbolizing modern education. So I have copied and I have pasted here, and before the content I am putting an instruction, generate an image on, then this one. Let us see how Grok 3 responds. So it is generating an image on this particular explanation or instruction. So in your case also it may take time. So it is taking longer time. So I can show you that I have already experimented with a different prompt earlier. You can see now it is generating. Yes, you can see. This particular image is generated by Grok 3, a popular AI tool. So the instruction was, the suggestion in the first slide was, you can use a vibrant illustration of a classroom with students using laptops, tablets, and a digital whiteboard symbolizing modern education. So I have copied the suggestion, and before that I have given instruction with a prompt like generate an image on that particular suggestion. Uh, Grok 3 has taken some time, but it has generated according to the prompt. You can see a vibrant illustration of a classroom. This is a classroom with students using laptops. These are the students, they are using the laptops. You can see here. Tablets, it is not displayed actually. And a digital whiteboard. This is the digital whiteboard symbolizing modern education. So you can download this image and you can use in the first slide. Similarly, you can go to slide number 2. So here you can see that some suggestions were already provided. You can see here a globe surrounded by icons of tech devices, laptop, smartphone, VR, headset to represent global connectivity in education. So to generate such image, you can simply copy, you can paste here, you can paste here, and before that you can give the instruction as, you can write the prompt as generate, sorry, generate an image on, suppose within double quotes you can give the suggestion, then simply click this one, then Grok 3 will generate. It may take some time, but uh, it will generate definitely, and you can use that image in your second slide also. So similarly, you can generate all the suggested images for each slide, and ultimately you can um, prepare a draft copy of your presentation. So I will suggest you to experiment with different prompts with different topics using either ChatGPT or using Grok 3 or DeepSeek or Gemini or any other tool. Today, we explored the impact of generative AI on presentation and visualization techniques. Here are the key takeaways. AI can simplify presentation creation by generating structured slide decks, infographics, and data visualizations. AI-driven tools help enhance audience engagement through storytelling and structured content. Crafting precise prompts ensures better AI-generated outputs. As we conclude, remember that AI is not a replacement for human creativity, it's an enhancer. It allows presenters to focus on delivering meaningful messages while automating the design and structuring process. Let's embrace AI responsibly and use it to elevate the way we present and visualize information. Thank you for joining today's session.